because sometimes bills can be hard to manage. It's a no money down payment arrangement. So if they're having a hard time and they're not able to afford a payment up front, then CRP would be a great way to help them get current.
I like helping people. I get a real sense of gratification of helping people because I never know when I might be in that situation myself, and I would want someone to do that for me.
CRP is the Customer Responsibility Program. It's a low-income program for our low-income customers so that they can have some affordability to get gas.
We as PGW are here to assist customers in time of need, and the CRP program is a program of need.
The applications basically name, address, social security number, if you're getting any type of assistance from a family member, if you're getting any food stamps or housing, and then a signature.
That's it. It's really simple.
Even though they're a stranger, I'm helping my mom, I'm helping my sister, I'm helping my dad, because at one point in time, we all have needed CRP, believe it or not. That's how I see it.